Hey, welcome back to another video about dentcoin. Guys, what's up? Hope you're fine. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the dentcoin future price, and also I want to share the latest update of the dentcoin. So guys, click the subscribe button now for more updates videos. Now the current live price of the dentcoin in the market is 0.00699 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the dentcoin. And the other side, if you look at the changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, changes occurred in the dentcoin is negative. In the last 1 week, changes of the dentcoin is positive. 20.88% the changes of the dentcoin is positive. And the other side, if you look at the chart, so you can see here a good changes occur in the dentcoin. Really appreciate dentcoin for investment. A massive changes occur by dentcoin. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. The purpose of making this video is that guys, dentcoin is a long-term project, so please hold for a long time. And if you invest in a dentcoin for short time, so there is bait, you get a loss. If you invest in a dentcoin for short time, that's not a short time coin, you have to hold for a long time. You can see 300, approximately 300 changes, positive changes occur in a dentcoin. So from this, that's clear that it is a profitable coin in the market. Hope you like this video. Click the subscribe button now for more videos.